uthi uJulius Malema le misebenzi enziwa ngama-foreigners eSouth Africa thina siyifuni. Andazi uba waxelwa ngubani uJulius Malema ukuba siyifuni imisebenzi. Ama-foreigners eSouth Africa adrive ama-truck. Andazi why sizokwenza code 14 ama-driver's license kanti asifuna ukudrive i-truck. Singaspenda imali ezingaka senza code 14 kanti asifuni imisebenzi yokudrive i-truck. Ama-foreigners eSouth Africa asebenza as ama-security guard. Andazi why so sihlupha eSouth Africans senza ama-grade we-security kanti asifuni ukusebenza as security. Andazi uyithatha Julius Malema le nto le. Ama-foreigners eSouth Africa asebenza as o-chef. Andazi why ama-South Africans ezosihlupha ngokwenza ngokufundela uba ngu-chef kanti akayifuni imisebenzi yokuba ngu-chef. Andazi why. Ama-foreigners eSouth Africa ahleli emgwaqweni ayathengisa ama-South Africans nawo ayahleli etafuleni emgwaqweni ayadayisa. Andazi why ama-South Africans ezosihlupha ngokuhleli emgwaqweni athengise avule ishop yonke lonto le kanti akafuni ukudayisa. uJulius Malema makadefend ama-foreigner ngendlela right, not ukuthi na axoke afake nathi kulento le. Asithethelele. Hayi, asikaze sithi asiyifunda le misebenzi zama-foreigners. Ama-foreigners asebenza kuma-construction company and South Africans zigcwele lapho. Yabo. I-South Africans yamazi esikolweni eziyofundela ukuba ngu-bricklayer. If asifuni le misebenzi why so ezikolweni siyofundela ukuba ngo-bricklayer kanti asifuni le misebenzi le yenziwa ama-foreigners. Hayi bafethu hayi kanti mina kancane.
Ngike nga-live nga-engage nalaba i-chaotic party. So ngabuza umbuzo ngathi mina njengoba ni busy nidayisa ngeSouth Africa kuma foreigners nama illegal foreigners in the name of nithi nina i-march and march i-exciter i-violence against ama fellow black people. Ngibuza mina ke ukuthi ngokwama states bangakanani abantu abamnyama abalele ezibhedlela abalaliswe i-march and march. Lama foreigners enithi ahlukunyezwa i-march and march mangakanani asemoshwali afile ekuthiwa abulawe i-march and march. So far seloku nje i-march and march yaqala mangakanani ama-foreigners alele ibhedlela, mangakanani alele moshwali ekuthiwa alimele alinyazwe ukuhlukunyezwa nokushawa nokubulawa la eSouth Africa eshawa i-march and march. Zike zame emthumeni ke kuma chaotic party lawo kwi chaotic party le ezesidakwa ezikamafinyila zihlulekile ukuphendula lo mbuzo loyo. Ukhona kodwa obe brave enough wakwazi ukuphendula umbuzo honestly, washo nje ukuthi cha, so far lento sisuke sisuke sisusela nje engqondweni. Akhona yedwa umuntu oseke wavela kwathiwa usesibhedlela ulwela impilo yakhe ngenxa ye-march and march. Akhona yedwa umuntu ekuthiwa usedutshuliwe ngenxa ye-march and march. Ngase ngibuza omunye ke umbuzo wesibili ngathi ake nisilethele nje ama-clip noma nje amabili kuphela ey'tolo zama-foreigners eseyishiswe nje i-march and march. Ningalethe ey'ningi ngoba kuzoba inkinga, ngeke nikwazi ukuyithola ey'ningi. Ngathi nje lethane ey'mbili iy'tolo ngoba phela ngithi i-march and march nithi nina it's a KZN thing. Okusho ukuthi ke asiqale KZN ke ngoba phela umonakalo kumele uqale eKZN ngoba nithi i-march and march is a KZ thing, into yamaZulu. Ake siqale sibheke eKZN nisikhombise nje ama-clip ama-video noma awu-2 la kusha khona noma kushiswa khona iy'tolo zama-foreigners. since nje imarch and march iqalile ngo-2026. Ziphinde zama futhi emthumeni kuyinhlangano yesidakwa, inhlangano ye-criminal, inhlangano ye-chaos. Bahluleka ukuphendula lo mbuzo. Now, this brings us to this point, ukuthi kahle kahle EFF imeleni, ilwelani EFF. Yindaba EFF ibe against ama-South African, kanti all along thina besazi ukuthi EFF is a South African political party. Besazi thina ukuthi EFF is for South African land, is for South African soil. Besazi thina ukuthi EFF ilwela bring back the land without compensation. Which land? The South African land that was grabbed by the colonizers. Besazi thina ukuthi EFF iyona elwela ama-cleaner nama-security njengoba ubona nje ukuthi igqoka kanjani eParliament. Besazi ukuthi i-EFF iyona emele ama-South African since kuyi-South African political party. Besingazi thina ukuthi i-EFF all along ibe-pretender. I-EFF all along was here to cause chaos. Zonke izinto i-EFF ebesithi zenza genuine for abantu abamnyama in particular base South Africa. Besingazi ukuthi they are not genuine, but EFF ipusha i-agenda, which is a European agenda. We didn't know all this. We didn't know all this. Now, the question is, my EFF members, my chaotic members, to call this a president? To call this your leader, this one. Go and listen to his recent speeches. Ukuthi ukhuluma kanjani mayekhuluma ngani. My EFF members, the South African EFF members. Nina ma South African EFF members, hambani niyolalela iy'pichi zakhe za 2026 ukuthi uMalema uthini ngani. Siyeke thina ngoba siyona EFF. Ake nimlalela ukuthi uthini ngani ma South African EFF members. Lo baba lo. Bese niyangibuza, bese niyangitshela ukuthi you call this your leader, guys. Are you well? Are you well here? Are you well? Calling your enemy your leader. You say, this is your enemy, but you call him your leader. You call him CIC. You call him our next president. This one is your next president. Lo khuluma kanje. The flip-flopper of notes. The betrayer, the sellout. An MI6 member. The drug cartel. The convicted criminal. Is this your leader? Are you calling that your leader? I'm questioning your medulla, guys. I'm questioning the capacity of your medulla. I am questioning the functioning of your medulla, guys. Calling this. My leader. Can you imagine? Aze nganidabukela ma so-called EFF members. Aze nganidabukela. Niloyiwe nina. Nina niloyiwe futhi owaniloyayo sewafa. Ngeke nisalungiseka. Calling this drunkard, criminal, drug cartel, this drug abuser, calling him your leader. This illiterate, You call him your leader. Hayi bafana, hayi ngeke, hayi kulungile.
Yiwe bafethu sengamanqele nisithuke nje manje nisithuke ukuthi sigxeka ama-politicians lawa adlala ngathi. Sengamanqele nisithuke kuma-comment, nisithuke ko-inbox. Nikhuluma yonke into enifuna ukuyikhuluma, but bafethu asifani nani abanye benu. Asizalwanga nje zonke izinto ey'bekwe phambi kwethu. Yonke into esinawo siyilwele kanzima and sathenjiswa ukuthi the only way or the only key to success is education. Saya ekoleni safunda, saqeda ema school, saya ema-varsity safunda, saqeda sagraduate. Mase kumele sisebenze, sigcine sesisacrificela ukuthola lawo makinati, imali encane, imali engekho. With our qualifications sisebenza imisebenzi isiholo 4,000. Why is holo 4,000? It's because sisebenza ngama-foreigners avuma 4,000. Akusekho ngisho lula ukuthi unqabe offer yemisebenzi noma ka 3,000 ngoba uyazi ukuthi umbuyele ekhaya ubuyela back kwindlala. So sigcine sesivuma ama-offer 3,000 sometimes. Noma offer 3,000 now is because kunama illegal foreigners aflade i-country yethu asebenza with cheap labor. Go endaweni ezingamadolobha. Amadolobha ethu angcolile, hambe eGoli, hambe eHillbrow. Phakathi kwi-CBD kungcolile, kucela ama-foreigner. Ama-flats lapha aphethwe ama-foreigner. Hamba shona ezansi ko-MTN rank kungcolile, ko-Bree kungcolile. Cela ama-foreigner wona esizwa ngawo. Iy'ndawo ezi-strategic, iy'ndawo lezi ey'balulekile lezi ey'nomnotho wezwe zingcolile. Hambe eThekwini, eThekwini yaku CBD, hambe ko-St George, hambe ko-Point kungcolile. Cela ama-foreign wona control amabhilidi. Hambe phakathi etown, phakathi ko-Fountain Lane, phakathi ko-Beatrice kungcolile. Udate gcwele ini, gcwele ama-foreign wona a-in charge laphana. Ey'tradini ayadayisa angamanuku enjalo, ayangcolisa tshinga phansi. Iy'tolo zabo ey'pheka izinto zokudla, umgqoma ayay'bizi ngisho umasipala uyithathele. Zincane zenza lokho noma ifuna umgqomo wodwa but inododo omningi zichitha khona estradini, ziqasha abantu aba-homeless, ichitha estradini. Abantu aba-homeless badayisela ama-drugs, basiphuca amafoni bedayisele wona back ama-foreigners wagqekeze wadayisa. Ama-foreigners nje lawo. Ama-foreigners. Sisho into esimple, sithi ama-foreigners awaqhubeke bekwi-country but akube ama-foreigners are-documented, akube ama-foreigners akule country legally. Hayi ukuthi sinezinofoba siyabatshonisa aba-illegal ngoba balanga ngokungemthetho sicele behambe. Sithukwa abantu esihamba kuze kuguge iy'nyawo sibavotela. Abantu kuba-manifesto abalokhu bethi bazokhanda amathuba emisebenzi. La mathuba emisebenzi maphi amathuba emisebenzi abawakhandile? Because even nala mathuba emisebenzi amancane akhandekayo kumele lawo mathuba emisebenzi mhlawumbe u-80% wabo uthathwa ama-foreign. Even ema-varsity izinto esikwazi ukuyifundisa ezama-tutors, mase siyifundile lezo zinto yifundiswa ama-foreigner. Because ezange-cheap labor. Yini abantu abasithukelayo? Abantu basithukela ukuthi sithi siyi-South Africa sikhathele ukuthi kudlalwa ngathi ama-politician adlala ngathi. Sithukela lezo zinto lezo. Because kahle ama-politician adlala ngathi. Some of us asifani nani, asizalwa ngemakhaya nama-lights nayo yonke into omele iqale ngathi. So yenza kanjani lento siholo 4,000? So yenza kanjani lento singasebenzi, sigcina sesingena ebugebengwini. Uthola ukuthi intsha eningi yabulawa because sisuke sizama, ngeke uhlale ekhawujeni elanga the whole day. Our parents basuma nabo manje bayahamba bayamasha because still nasemgwaqeni bekudayisa i-competition e-high. Bebefika amagwinya bewadayisa o-5 nxa ukuthi ama-oflower bayabiza. O-flower bayabiza nama-ingredients okwenza amagwinya ayabiza. Ayafika nama-foreigner futhi adayisa amagwinya abiza u-R3. Yini esifuna siyenze siyi-country? Funa sinenzeni meni sisuka? Asifani nani. Asifani nabanye bethu iy'moto bayigibela only if abantu bemadolobheni imoto asinazi imoto. Even abanye bethu asigadwa, asambi nama-bodyguard, asifani nama-politician masiye endaweni. Ayikho into esiyibhenefithayo, ayikho. ama-foreigner siyacela ngokukhulu ukuyithoba esiphumele eSouth Africa illegal. That's what we want phela nje, cause kahle kahle abukho ubulungiswa. Leli gama le-freedom igama lokho esitshengiswa lona, it seems like siyabakweneta abantu abathile ngathi balwela inkululeko, whereas siyazi kathi abantu abalwela inkululeko babulawa, abantu abalwela le-freedom, whereas siyakwazi lokho. Abazali bethu ababedutshula abanye babo babedlala bhojozi ngenxa yabelwela inkululeko abasakwazi ukuyi-enjoy leyo nkululeko. They're not getting anything. Yonke into idinga imali, imunemali kwenzeka yonke into. Udinga ID kumele ube nemali. Foreigners have our South Africans ID. They even explain and they even mention kuma videos akwenziwa bona ama-interview ukuthi banama-ID yala. How come the foreigner fike lathole ID liyakhokha? Ama-South Africans awanawo ama-ID awawatholi. So asikahleni bafethu ukuthi asikahleni bafethu ungayiboni izinto brainwash ngisho into ezisimple. Umuntu uzosithuka ngoba sikhuluma sathitha igama leqhawe lakhe elishona ukuthi xenophobic uma sithi ama-foreigners awahamba. Musani udlala ngathi bafethu. 30 June siyacela nje peaceful abantu abasiphumele eSouth Africa aba-illegal. Thank you.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. South Africans are calling out Julius Malema for being a pici for being a mene and for defending illegal immigrants. We all know ukuthi Malema uyakhuluma t-shirts for ukuthi yena ma-foreigners njena bo-brothers and sisters bakhe uyasho nje ukuthi uyobalwela, ngisho kuthiwa abantu abamvotela kubayekela kumvotela, he doesn't care. Ngisho angavotelwa umuntu loyi-1 he doesn't care, but yena uthi nje umile egameni lokuthi ma-Zimbabwean, ma-Nigeria, ma-Ghanaian, Mozambican, uthi all those people are his brothers and sisters, and people are constantly calling him out saying ukuthi uyalibulala naleli qembu lakhe, but Nkosi yami uyakhombisa ukuthi akanandzaba nje akayingeni. Ungizwe uze washo ukuthi uMalema protect ama-Nigeria and ma-Nigeria ambhadale 60 million ukuthi aba-protect. Wakwata-ke uMalema waze wamvulela nelicala kuNgizwe Mchunu. Lokho abanye abantu bayithembele inkulumo yaNgizwe, because people are saying ukuthi kungani uMalema badefenda kangaka bantu bokufika kuleli. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.